Hi friends, today again I am going to bring another unboxing of a Rangoli making kit. This one is a smaller one. It was priced just 250 rupees on Amazon. Let's go on with the unboxing of this. So previously I had shown in my previous video another Rangoli making kit. It had all these pieces coming with it, but this one is another variation of the same thing. So I think these are the stencils that is there. So there are 6 of these stencils, and again there is this pump that we can again use to fill in the colored Rangoli powders and then pour them in. We can draw patterns out of it. I will just quickly see how different are these. I think they are all pretty much like same pattern, I think. Yeah, none of them are unique or so. So I would say that the one that I bought previously was much better than this. This one is actually having this only the same pattern inside. I was expecting to see different patterns, but pretty much all the 6 different containers are having the same pattern. So I'm still thinking this might come in handy as well, along with that one that I had brought. So yeah, that's about it, my friends. So I hope when my wife tries to make some Rangoli designs combining both of the kits that we had bought online, let's see what we end up making out of these Rangoli making kits. Thanks for watching, my friends.